Welcome to our tutorial about object selection. During the course, we've learned already about most types of object selection. In this lesson, I'm going to show you one more type of selection. Let's say you're in a situation where you've got a lot of entities right on top of one another or very close to one another. Now, in my case, I can select the items one at a time if I select from far enough away from the other items. But let's say I'm forced to select an entity at this point. Then what am I going to do? Well, what I will do is hold down the Shift key and press the space key. Now I'm able to select one item at a time. And when I get to the item I want, release the Shift key and left-click to select. What we're doing is cycling through objects in the pick box. In order to set the size of the pick box, we can go to the Options dialog window. We can get there via the Application button and click on the Options button. Let's go to the Selection tab and adjust the slider to increase or decrease the size of the pick box. Let's cancel out of this dialog window. And this concludes our tutorial about object selection.